people should never rely on military solutions. I mean, you use military to solve one problem, 5 other problems come up, unintended consequences. Whenever you look back, look at Vietnam War. The generals were saying it's only a few months, 2 months, 6 months, 6 weeks, and look what happened. Same with Afghanistan. I heard it myself. Our own President Musharraf, when he was joining the U.S. war on terror, he said it'll be only a few weeks, max 2-3 months. Look, so war is never a solution. People who try and solve issues through bloodshed and war, they always cause mayhem in this world. A conflict right now with Iran would be a disaster for developing countries. Oil prices will shoot up. Countries like us who are just about balancing our budgets, everything will go and it'll just cause poverty. So I would, and I did say it to President Trump that, war is not the solution.